I'm Stephanie Chavez, and welcome to the how-to video for the Project X Fine Silver Clay Kit Cowboy Chic. Before we dive in, check out the video Working with Clay, Conditioning, Tips, Tricks, and Troubleshooting. Let's get started. Inside your kit, you will have a Teflon work surface, a 5-gram pack of fine silver Project X clay, liberation spray release agent, depth gauges that are 1 millimeter thick, a texture mat with 4 different designs, a set of sanding sponges and a patina marker, a hole cutter, 4 sterling silver jump rings, and 4 fine silver eyelets, full written instructions, and a prepaid envelope to mail back any scrap for a free tutorial. You will also need a clay roller, a Project X firing brick and butane torch, or a steel mesh screen to fire on a gas stove, an awl or cutting tool, water and a storage container, a paintbrush, tweezers, and jewelry pliers. Put a light coat of liberation spray release agent on your brown work surface, your clay roller, and your blue texture mat. Put the clay on the blue texture mat over the design of your choice and lay the 1 millimeter gauges on each side on top of the texture mat. Using the clay roller, press firmly and roll the clay flat in one direction. Flip your clay over onto your brown work surface and cut out your shape with an awl or cutting tool. Your cut does not have to be precise. You will refine this later. Put away your remaining clay to retain the moisture. Use the hole cutter to cut holes for hanging. Make sure that your hole is at least 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Save the clay from your cutter. Alternatively, you can use an eyelet to hang your charm. Press the post of the eyelet into the center of the clay so that it does not protrude out the front or the back. Make sure to press it down so that the circle is past the clay line. You are now ready to dry, sand, fire, polish, and patina your piece. Watch the videos on working with clay and firing and finishing for full detailed instructions. You should be able to make 2 to 3 pieces with the materials in this kit, depending on the sizes and the number of holes. Make your pieces uniquely yours by adding an extra hole to hang beads or decorative elements. Maybe incorporate a fire-safe gemstone, or find a unique way to hang your charm. Just have fun creating.